Hi, I'm Chelsea Lipford Wolf. On Checking In with Chelsea, I feature easy, do-it-yourself friendly projects that enhance your home both inside and out. This one is a unique take on a traditional door wreath that uses wood cross sections cut from a small tree. Begin by gluing the wood rounds edge to edge around the perimeter of a pre-made wood floral wreath frame. I'm using Titebond 3 Ultimate Wood Glue as it is waterproof and designed for exterior projects. The second layer of wood rounds is glued to the first, roughly overlapping pieces beneath them by half and completely concealing the wreath frame. Finally, to create an accent, finish it off with a ribbon on one side and it's ready to hang. This wood wreath can be put together in just a few minutes and it's a great accent for a rustic or farmhouse style. Plus, you can show off your crafty skills for your neighbors too. You've seen my project, now share yours on social media with the hashtag Titebond for the win, or search the hashtag to see what others are creating.